Hello amazing bakers and sweet tooth friends. Today is all about indulgence because we are diving into the world of Valentine's brownie cookies. And let me tell you, it's a chocolate lover's dream. Over the next 6 minutes, we will whip up these little bites of joy, and I've got some insider tips to make sure they turn out perfect. Let the baking adventure begin. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You will need bittersweet chocolate, salt, butter, light brown sugar, chocolate chips, flour and baking powder, cocoa powder, and 1 egg for 12 small size cookies. Now let's get our hands dirty and chop up that heavenly chocolate. Because let's be honest, everything is better with chocolate. Add the butter and microwave it. Just make sure to give it a stir every 30 seconds until fully melted. Meanwhile, in another bowl, we are going to whip up some magic: eggs and sugar. You can use a whisk or a hand mixer and whisk away until it's light, fluffy, and ready to join our chocolatey party. That should look like this: silky and smooth. Now the grand moment, introducing our dry ingredients to the wet ones: flour and baking powder, cocoa powder, salt, and let's not forget those chocolate chips. Mix it all together, but remember, gentle is the key. Don't overmix. A little swirl is all it takes. Cover up with some plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Time to get hands-on again. Spray your baking sheet with no-stick cooking spray. And using an ice cream scoop or just a spoon, spoon that delicious butter onto a parchment paper. Then bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for just 10 minutes. Trust me, your kitchen is going to smell like heaven. While those beauties are baking, let's take a moment to melt more chocolate. Toss some candy melts in the microwave. Heat and stir the wafers at 30 seconds intervals until they melt. We are playing it safe to avoid any chocolate drama. If you followed my instructions and this happened, don't panic. It means that the wafers are a little bit old, but you can still save your chocolate with this little trick. Just add some vegetable or coconut oil until you see this magic happen. Doesn't look great? Once your cookies are out of the oven and slightly cooled, it's time for the chocolate plunge. Dip those cookies like they're taking a sweet chocolate bath. And don't be shy with the coating. And now the finishing touch. Sprinkle them with some love. Valentine themed sprinkles. Because these cookies deserve to be dressed up for the occasion. And there you have it. Valentine's brownie cookies that are almost too cute to eat. I said almost. So go ahead, whip up a batch and share the love. Happy baking, my fellow sweet tooths. And thank you for watching.